In this video, we'll look at SAVI's Program Guide and Game View features. The Program Guide allows end users to schedule channel changes for DirecTV sources up to 72 hours in advance. Another advantage of using this page is that it allows changing the channel immediately on a source without showing any menus on the screen for a better guest experience. The Game View feature allows users to see various games broken down by sport, as well as scheduling them the same way as the Program Guide. The SAVI version shown is 3.5. Keep in mind you'll need to at least be on version 3.3 to use Game View, but all currently supported versions of SAVI include the Program Guide. Also remember that the Program Guide is tied to your ASM, so be sure to keep that active to keep using these features. You can navigate to the Program Guide from the Facility View menu, but also know there's a shortcut when using a source's digital remote from Facility View. When the page loads, you'll see two main sections: the available channels and all currently scheduled content on the various source devices at the bottom. Using these buttons here at the top, you can expand either of these main sections for a full screen view of either the channels or the source devices, and click here to return to the combined view. If I want to add something to the schedule, I just click the content and add to schedule. I now choose which source device this channel change will take effect on. Now at this time, the DirecTV box will switch to this channel. Note that this change is only occurring within the DirecTV 3 box itself. To ensure this content is shown, either manually assign the source to the desired displays in Facility View or ensure that it's also scheduled in a macro. It's also important to remember that these displays will need a layout with the source region, as opposed to a full-screen SAVI show image. And remember that for layouts, you can also use the event scheduler in SAVI Show to schedule layout changes. To remove a scheduled program, just click the ellipsis on it and hit Remove. You can search for specific programs by using the search field here, or by scrolling using the arrows, or sliding this bar at the bottom of the channel list. To jump to a specific channel, use the search field down here, or simply use the arrows to jump several rows at a time. To add a channel to your favorites, click it from the list on the left and Add Favorite. To view all your favorite channels at once, click Favorites at the top and then click again to toggle it off. Next to this is the Schedule button, which when clicked shows only those channels with content currently scheduled. In lieu of finding a specific program, you can simply schedule a channel change at a given time by hitting the Manual button. Choose the channel, start time, duration, and satellite box, and the scheduled channel change will occur at that time. Also note that there's a shortcut to open the digital remote for any of your DirecTV boxes. Now we'll look at Game View. The bar at the top contains the different sports categories, which filters the list of games. The scheduling feature works similarly to the Program Guide in that you click on the game you want, confirm, and then choose the DirecTV box you want. If you choose a game that's available on multiple channels, it'll ask you to choose one. If I try to schedule content for a box that already has a scheduled game, I'll get this warning, asking me if I want to remove the previously scheduled program or cancel. To filter out all previously aired games and only show games that have never been aired before, check the Show New Broadcasts Only button here at the bottom. Lastly, remember that configuring the Program Guide is done through Creator, so someone with dealer credentials will need to log in and fill in the guide data. The guide data page in Creator also contains a field for blocked channels, which, when entered here, will not show up in the list of channels in the Program Guide. This concludes our video on the Program Guide and Game View. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more SAVI training videos.